I'm Diane Miller with the Misophonia Research Fund.
Steve Miller, also with the Misophonia Research Fund.
It's so exciting to see all the work that's being done in all areas of misophonia research. We started the Misophonia Research Fund as our daughter has misophonia. And what makes me most excited is the fact of seeing treatment and hopefully potentially cures.
Yeah, I agree. It's been, I think we're on our eighth year of making grants, and it's really exciting that the field has expanded. It was very tiny. Now it's still small, but growing. We've been able to attract a lot of young, brilliant researchers to this field, and that's what's most exciting to me. So we've been giving away money for a long time for into a lot of different causes. We've had a family foundation for over 20 years. So when we discovered misophonia was a problem because of our daughter being diagnosed with it, and then not long after that, we discovered that there was very little money going into research. We made the decision that we had the capacity to change that. And we also had the infrastructure in place with a foundation already set up that we knew how to do this. So that's what we did.
And we feel that it's very important to give back. We've been very blessed. And as a result, we feel not only important, but really an obligation to give back and to help other people when we can.
So just today, I can think of a couple of examples that we found out about. One of the researchers showed a slide during her presentation of her work, all the data that she had gathered and the scientific results, showed a slide that had 7 or 8 different quotes from people, individual people who were participating in the study, who are sufferers of misophonia, who talked about how the work that they're doing was impacting them positively. And that was very meaningful.
It's also meaningful just to see all the people that are now involved in doing misophonia research and that an impact has been made in the field.
Mm, a couple of the researchers actually have misophonia themselves, and there were a few of them here with us today. One of whom spoke beautifully about how when she was younger, she didn't think that there'd be very many possibilities for her, and that now she's not only there are possibilities for her in her life, but she's working in this field that she never even knew would exist because she thought she was just suffering alone. Misophonia is a small but vitally important field. The rate of prevalence of misophonia appears to be potentially even up to 15% of the population. So it's a large problem that is underdiagnosed and the awareness is low. And yet somebody can come into this field and have a huge impact because there's so much work to be done and it's still a small field that is growing.
Yeah, that's just what I was thinking about is the impact that can be made. Um, a small impact can have a big ripple effect.